Step out clean, I'm a Kemmy McCoy. Cool as breeze style, very refined. Check your fit, check your tees, dog, check your design. As a G, CEO on the grind, no.
You wash like a hand sign across the camera, like, you know.
We're cooking with Kemmy today.
Yeah. We're cooking with Kemmy today. So this is going to be in a portrait version. And we're going to be doing some, we're prepping for like a little pillow. So the onion and the peas, no, the garlic and the peas don't gone in. We're going to marinate a little bit. This is just not planned. Yeah, we're doing some pillow here, so cooking with Kemmy. I'll tell all you what we're going to do from what we ain't going to do. Do some corn. Might do some little cucumber, all them kind of thing there. And potato salad. Just come on, proper presentation. There's not 100% guarantee y'all gonna see that because it might not reach here so. No promises. Yes. You get in at the 784 made away. And yeah, we get in there. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Even the baby in the background is so excited for this. Look at that. So me and the sous chef, everything, carrots, definitely. That's why she's the sous chef, you know. Sous chef, where else get with the carrot? Unplanned things, yes. Do not expect us to be planning. No, nothing goes as planned, so not even this video planned. Definitely not planned. Professionally speaking, I can't reveal my sous chef because all of my who will reach out and try to thief my sous chef from me can't have that on a Saturday. No. Anybody questioning if I'm a chef? Yes, I am. Today, you're just saying, fully confident. So, because this is unplanned, yeah, I can't tell me what to do. Always save. Yo! I should buy this kind of corn. Maybe if I eat it, I'll go like start to save for, you know, next month. You know. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. This is bad. So chef, I need a small spoon. On the clock. Okay, I realize small will work with you. Yeah, you know, go bigger is better all the time. The garlic was like starting to like flow, but we couldn't have that, you know. I gotta monitor this. Just like that. Yeah. Starting to smell like a chicken, but it ain't ready yet. You know. So chef, okay, let's need to go over here. Let's keep the kitchen clean. You know. Yeah, you know. Not in Kemmy's kitchen, we can't have anything dirty. And need to make sure that the alcohol is secured because I'm getting sober.
There's no fellowship without a swallow.
I'm getting sober by the millisecond. Where's the small glass? Can I have a small glass, please? Guys, this is my assistant. You have to just show a sign, man. You have to show a sign. Show a sign, man. She's shy. I like it. She's not shy. She's actually very confident and mysterious.
I don't know where she said you for a small glass or
Sous chef, you're losing marks. You need to point in the direction of where the glass. This is just baby cups that are not for adults.
See, the sad thing is we have no small glasses. All the glasses here are big.
I should have just bring my I should have bring my shot glass because I have like a ton road.
Unplanned.
Yeah, it was unplanned. Yeah. Wow, oh my gosh, look at this piece. It's looking lovely from a distance.
So, Kemmy, we're going to start peeling the potatoes to put them on for the salad?
Yes, sous chef. I like how your mind is sharp. You're always on the go. Oh my goodness. I know all this what Tracer for this is.
No, because it's like a sweet one.
Anything less than 84.5% is just ice. This is vodka. Just give me like a tip of ginger ale and we're good. Assistant, I need some ice.
There's no fellowship without a scholarship.
Yes, my assistant is very, very, very useful. She does things that, you know, I can always rely on. Like the ice. I need the ice. Cooking with me, understand that I'm not an alcoholic anymore, guys. For the new year, cut out alcohol. No alcohol until my birthday. Guys, yes, I'm drinking something. So chef, do you have any? Do you have the scraper?
But I think so we have to do it the old school way.
What is like a guide knife and like scraper?
Yes.
Okay, the old school way. This is an unplanned video, so we're gonna be cleaning this and making it look brand new. Assistant,
Nice. See, we found one.
I literally found it. So we don't have to do no old school thing. Because I ain't about that life anymore. I'm gonna set up my spoon here. This here, scrape it off.
Wash it.
You know, wash it. See why I have my assistant and my sous chef. We're getting old. Been doing this way for like 19 years. Granted the fact that I'm 24. We're going to literally listening to my assistant and my sous chef. We're doing it correctly. We're gonna be shaving this off. You look better than me?
When?
Oh shit. I don't know. Keep me. So,
Kemmy, do we have any
Chef Kemmy.
flavor pepper?
Chef Kemmy.
Chef Kemmy, do we have any flavor pepper?
Flavor pepper. You want to do what? That is for the chicken. That is for the salad.
I was looking at the salad, but it doesn't look
Salad?
So we're just gonna have to set up whatever we have.
You're gonna have to do the unplanned thing and improvise.
Because these flavor peppers have no flavor.
Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, sorry. This is how carrots look when you shave it. And we have some potatoes. We're gonna have to peel those potatoes. Yes, with the shaver. It actually working really nice. My assistant here, we're gonna be trying our best to make sure we have proper presentation. So, chef. How much potatoes? Al? I don't think we need it.
No,
5 potatoes.
would that be enough for everybody?
No, I don't think so.
Well, then let's do how.
You're gonna have to do sadly, but true. Wait. I'm actually doing this for you. You want to drop down and start to fry?
And then you mix it, right? Put it dropping on the front.
That's what she said, not what I said. I got
What if you want
concerned.
lunch before you go to work? You leaning on the cupboard isn't helping the situation. So in the meantime, you can get the rice and start washing it.
My goodness, wow. That's actually a good idea. But then, can you do that for me, please?
No. That's just a milk.
It's stressing you out.
It's actually in the cupboard. You can do it. Yeah. Cooking with Kaya. And start cooking with Kemmy.
Alright, so Kaya has a YouTube channel. Big ups to Kaya. My sous chef. I always tell my sous chefs to always look for something that could inspire you. She likes Kaya. Big up to Kaya. But today, cooking with Kemmy, McCoy. That's it. So hopefully I could teach my sous chef something new today.
Yes, assistant, not your sister. Yourself. Hello there, vlog. Is that good?
Oh, I always get assistants and sous chefs that are attractive because keeps you focused. You know? Keeps you focused, keeps you doing the right thing. Now,
Okay.
all these potatoes, I gotta shave them. Anything else? No? Cutting board, yeah, we can go deal up with the cutting. Yo! Back in the segment. Yes, don't ever judge this because everything here was unplanned. But yes, I don't shave off all the potatoes. About to chef it up. And finger bun. Sous chef,
That's it.
come. Handle this, please.
No, we're gonna put the piece in there and then we're gonna cut that.
Okay, so
Yes.
do that.
So we're gonna get the peas in here.
Okay. Sous chef, marinate it. Yeah. All about that lifestyle.
Then we're gonna cut up the potatoes.
We're gonna cut up the potatoes. I can't cut up the potatoes, come. I can't cut up nothing right now. Okay, water and salt it is.
Why am I doing that?
No, even if it fails, then I have to edit.
Chef Kemmy!
So, we're over here, chefing up with the sous chef. Things looking very extravagant. Definitely. We're using big words right now, because if we use any other words, it'll sound too average. Sous chef, how it tastes?
You the taste, I remember.
Oh,
The rice wants to cook a little bit more.
true. Let me double check. Jesus, Father.
Yeah, the rice wants to cook a little bit more.
Yes, it needs about
A few more minutes. But
a few minutes.
we need to stir it up because it starts sticking at the bottom.
Can't have that. You put any oil at the beneath pot, at the beneath of the pot. You don't use the other big one.
The big one, the beneath.
Yeah, the beneath of the pot.
And then we're just gonna cook it open. So we'll just simmer down and we'll
Did you put any butter inside of it?
yes, I did.
Okay, wonderful. Jesus Christ.
I put a bit of pepper and some parsley flakes
Just
as
now,
well.
you're gonna be the chef and that. A lot of mercy. You know, welcome back to the video, because the video ain't finished yet. But this is the finishing touch. Big up the sous chef. The sous chef did a wonderful job. I know the rice could have been a little bit more darker, correctly more brown, but I had a part to play in that, and I chose that it shouldn't be that brown. Now, I have to say that the salad is shot. It is well prepped. This is potato salad with from scratch. It has the mixed vegetables from scratch inside of it, and definitely this is something that you'd want to taste. Now, cooking with Kemmy, this is just the first video. I don't know if I could do an EP on this, but I definitely want to do another video like this.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, guys, so that was the presentation of the food. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, the sous chef know how for presenting, you know. Boy, anybody who gets you, boy, and lucky. That fork. Now, if Ali say, I think he say he doing it the Caribbean way, and he eat it with fork. Presentation is key. I sure they say look more presentable than a spoon, even though I'm going to slap it up with a spoon. I'm using a fork because a fork just looks right on camera. Never true, sous chef?
That's true.
Exactly. I have a little taste test for y'all. Remember, look at hot pot. I realize I go silent and the video ain't even cut. That's because when the food shut, we always need a moment of silence, you know. Chicken. Boy. Like this food, like this food they make for hook me, boy. Huh? I ain't say nothing. Huh? This is delicious. What? Jesus, Father. So, I'm still on the camera. Guys, this 3-minute segment is might be the most epic because I don't know. Guys, I can't feel like edit this video in a way so that all can realize that this food tastes amazing. And normally I gotta big up myself because you know, as a chef, cooking with Kemmy is something to behold, but can't take all the credit. The amount of love and effort put in this food here, so God is good. Jesus, take the wheel, please. Now I'll come back. I really want to come back by this house here too often because, boy, food shot. Shut up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Give love, manners, and respect. And I'm out.